Hi, table for two, please. We have a reservation. Can we sit by the window? Is there a table available? How long is the wait? Can we sit outside? Can I get a menu? What's popular here? What do you recommend? I need a few more minutes. I'm ready to order. I'll have this, please. Can I get some water? I'd like a Coke. Can I have orange juice? No ice, please. Extra ice, please. Can I get a refill? I'll take the chicken sandwich. I'll have the steak. Can I get fries with that? Make it a combo. Well done, please. Medium, please. What's in this dish? Is it spicy? Does it contain nuts? Does it have cheese? Is this enough for 2 people? Can you make it extra spicy? No onions, please. No tomatoes, please. No pickles, please. Extra cheese, please. Extra sauce, please. Sauce on the side, please. Can I substitute the fries? This looks great. It smells amazing. What's today's special? Enjoy your meal. Everything is delicious. The food is excellent. It's really good. I love it. It's a little salty. It's a little cold.
Excuse me.
This isn't what I ordered. My order is wrong. This is cold. This is undercooked. Can I get another one? I'm sorry, but there's a problem. Could you help me? Can I get some ketchup? Can I get hot sauce? More napkins, please. Can I get another fork? Another knife, please. Can I get a spoon? Can I have some bread? Can we get extra plates? Can I get the check, please? Check, please. Can we get the bill? Are you ready for the check? Separate checks, please.
Can I pay by card?
Sounds good. That's fine. No problem. Absolutely. I'll be right back. Take your time. Let me check. Can I see the dessert menu? What desserts do you have? I'll have the cheesecake. I'll have ice cream. That sounds delicious. Everything's great. Are you still working on that? Anything else? That's all. I'm hungry. I'm starving. This hits the spot. This hits the spot. I'm full. I'm stuffed. Save me some. Let's eat. Cheers! Is the card terminal working? We had a great time. The service was excellent. We'll be back. Have a nice day. See you again.
Goodbye.